Hey! Guess what? Do you know why I am so happy right now? On the 31st of January 2023, the Lagos State government has officially commissioned the Lekki Express road construction, and this was commenced on the 31st day in January 2023. These add to the value of properties around here. So if you don't know what is going on, if you don't know what is cooking, then you should send a DM, because we have various estates around this corridor. We have Tiwa Gardens, we have Fairmont Green and Smart Estate, and don't forget Itunu City. Initial deposits of this wonderful estate, you can own 1 or 2 plots in this particular location. But I don't want to go too far from the point. The point is, I would like you to come with me as I show you the current road construction, the process, and how they are constructing the road. So come with me and let's go. Beachwood Estate at Malete bus stop. You've seen the road construction, and to my left is the Beachwood Estate, one of the luxury estates in the corridor. Now, do not forget that we are still selling our Tiwa Gardens, Itunu City, and Fairmont Green and Smart Estate are still selling. Garden City is also adjacent to this wonderful location, which is the Lekki approved airport. So if you like to, key into this wonderful development in any of our 3 estates, just send a DM or call the number on your screen. Thank you very much for your time, and do enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.